Okay, so I didn't get to record how I bleached this wig or whatnot because I couldn't find my tripod, and I was like, all right, well, it's too late now when I found it, so I kind of just was like, forget it. So I'm just coming to show you guys the wig. This side is what it looks like when you wet it. I didn't fully wet it because I'm gonna go and lay in my bed soon. But, and this is when you let it dry. This hair is super soft. I'm not a pro at laying baby hairs, so yeah, I'm not really a big fan of baby hairs because I don't got no baby hairs in real life, so I don't really be putting them on my wigs. I just let them do what it do. But this hair is so soft. I wish I would have recorded how I made this wig, so you guys can actually see like the process. But I had to bleach this wig 2 times because the first time I ran out of dye and it was still black on this side, I think. The front came out lighter than the rest, which is cool because I am going to take some hair dye. These hair dyes. What is this? By Adore. I have Cajun Spice, and I have cinnamon, and I have French cognac, and I'm gonna take those and I'm gonna do the water method just to brighten the colors up. I might go in one more time and bleach some of the spots that are still dark. Who knows? I don't want to walk around with really bright hair. But I'm talking about the hair, and I ain't even show y'all who was friend. I be tripping. This is Naked Nature Brazilian Natural 100% human hair lace front wig. It came in a package like this. This camera quality is freaking bomb. I should just record all my videos off my phone, right? But this is the little tab it came with. This is what it looked like. Yo, this iPhone 11 Pro Max is amazing. This is my front camera, not even my. This is my front camera, not even my back camera, y'all. But anyways, let's get into this. This is what the wig look like on the package. It's the natural color it comes in. It's a deep curl, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. I wish I had the receipt, but I don't. It was $100 and something. It was $124, something like that. But that's what the front packaging looked like in case you want to go get it. And it's wet and wavy. That's why it get all nice when you wet it. But I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, it's so soft. Like even after being bleached twice, it's still really soft. But I'm gonna show y'all how I get these to be like this, because I know they look like 2 different. This one's wild and crazy. So it's like, that part ain't. But talk to me nice. Alright, so spray bottle of water, can of mousse. Get the spritz in. I try not to like wet around here because my lace is glued down. It got to be, and I don't want I don't want the glue to come off. I lost my train of thought. I forgot to cut a little hair right here. Where is? I'm always losing something. Like I can never just not lose something. This is like a little piece, so when you know, stick on this side, got a little purse. Let's keep that. All right. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spray the hair. This water is freezing. Don't forget to lift up ends. And of course the hair is gonna look darker when you wet it. I be wilding with the mousse because it's just mousse. hairs because my mirror is right there. I did experience some shedding. For one, it is a curly hair, and for two, I did bleach it 2 times. So yeah, I'm just going with some more mousse because I use the most mousse when I get close to where the glue is, because the mousse will dry hard and I won't have to worry about it messing up or lifting out my lace. So this wig came with baby hairs, but I'm not a baby hair pro. Like I said before, some loose. This shit played me. It says savage. You thought. First of all my other baby hairs disappeared. It was just like, F it. Ooh. That one came out kind of cute. But, there you have it. This side is dry as hell. What happened, right? I just skipped over it. There. Still got mousse back there. Wow. But this is what this wig look like. Once again, like I said, I am not a baby hair expert, so don't talk about my hairs. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But look, they ain't moving, so you know. I did something right. Give me this peep. Oh. It says on the packaging, best curls finger comb or whatever, so that's what I be doing, and it be coming out cute. I just want to keep this hair tucked behind my ear and pull this little piece up. Boom. I got big ears. And there we go. I'm out. I just want to say, if you're thinking about getting this wig, you should, because I just do it in like a bun. I'm about to go to bed and I'm going to have a scarf on. And I didn't realize that the back part is pretty much like, y'all get my point.